ClubExpress Discussion Forums Moderation. This video is an introduction to ClubExpress discussion forums, mostly from a forum moderator's point of view. We cover how forums are used by your members in another video, because it covers how your members participate in online discussions on a variety of topics by creating threads and messages. Another related video covers the tools that administrators have to create and configure discussion forums. Let's talk a bit about forum moderators. The Forums module introduces a new permission level that doesn't exist in other modules, the moderator. Where club administrators control everything on the website and in their membership database, and coordinators have admin rights over one module or an admin function, a moderator has been given admin rights to one or more specific forums within the Forums module. Moderators are often subject matter experts who can help guide the discussions in their forums and help with topic content and organization. Moderators can add or remove individual members, set member flags such as member approval required, member banned, etc., and approve or block individual messages or threads. We're currently logged in with an account that's a moderator for both the safety and equipment forums. She sees a little more information about those forums, that they are visible to the public and active. When visiting a forum where she is not a moderator, she has the typical user's display. When visiting a forum where she is a moderator, additional buttons and links appear. Click the Members button to see the current members of the forum. The default is to view special members only. These are members who are banned from this forum, members whose messages must be moderated, members who are designated as moderators, and members who have opted out of receiving messages from this forum. If you're searching for a specific person, enter a portion of his or her name and click the search button. If your club is large and you're viewing an All Members forum, be careful selecting Show All Members and clicking the search button without a search value entered. The resulting screen will show up to 200 members in the list. The Add Moderator button adds a moderator to this forum. Select the member, then click Save. To modify the status of a member, click the edit icon beside that member's name. In this screen, you can flag or remove a member as a moderator, or perhaps this is someone whose posts need to be reviewed, that is, moderated, before being published, or ban this user from participating in any way. You can also flag them as opted out so they no longer receive emails from this forum. Now let's go back to the discussion threads in this forum. Here, administrators, forum module coordinators, and individual forum moderators will see a special admin link in the rightmost column for each thread. Clicking this link displays a dialog where you can perform the following changes. Specify a new subject for the thread, pin the thread to the top of the forum, and this option is often used for frequently asked questions or for a message explaining thread policies. You can make a thread read-only. Replies cannot be posted to a read-only thread. This option is often used in conjunction with the pin option to create a read-only thread at the top of the forum. You can specify a new forum. The whole thread, including its replies, is moved to the new forum. This option is often used to move commercial messages to a special forum, and it can also be used to move objectionable messages to a hidden location without deleting them. Or you can delete the thread and all of its messages. This option is generally not recommended. If someone posted an objectionable or inappropriate message, it's often better to move it to a hidden forum for audit purposes or to protect the club, and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Click Save to confirm your action and return to the list of threads, or click Cancel to return without performing any action. Now let's take a look at messages within a thread. Note that if a thread has messages that need approval, it is shown with a different background color. Click on a thread name in the list and you're presented with either a threaded or flat view of the thread's messages. Administrators, forum module coordinators, and individual forum moderators will see additional options for each message. Click Edit to edit the content of the message itself. You'll see a pop-up content editor window. If a message is in moderation, it is highlighted with a different background color. The admin link shows a menu where the first two icons let you approve or block the message. If you approve the message, it is published immediately. If you block the message, it will only be visible to administrators, coordinators, and moderators. An approve icon remains, making it easy for you to change your mind about the block. Click the Edit Forum Status icon to change that user's status in this forum. You'll see the Forum Member Info dialog allowing you to make the current user a moderator, moderated, or banned from this forum. You can also opt out this user from the forum. Click the Message Admin icon to move or delete the message or to separate it into a new thread. Using this dialog box, you can perform the following changes. Delete message content only, where the message shell is retained so that all threads are not broken, but the text of the message is replaced by a standard message that the content was deleted by the moderator. Use this option if the content of the message is objectionable or dangerous in some way, and you need to get rid of it permanently without retaining a copy. Delete this message completely, including all replies. Select this option to completely remove the message and all direct replies. Use this option to remove all evidence that the message and its replies ever existed. Make message a new thread in this forum. Use this option if the message strays from the original purpose of the thread and really belongs in a new thread. All direct replies to the message will also be moved to that new thread. Move message to another forum. Use this option if the message strays from the original purpose of the thread and of the current forum, or perhaps it was simply posted in the wrong forum. You can also use this option to move a message that is objectionable in some way to a hidden, moderator-only forum if you really need to retain a copy. All direct replies to the message will also be moved to the new forum. You also have the option of notifying the message poster that the message was moved, including perhaps some text to explain why this was done. Because this message has been blocked, we can choose Unblock, and it will return to its previous moderated state. Click OK to confirm your action and return to the messages in the current thread, or click Cancel to return without performing any action. If a message is still in moderation, additional choices appear when appropriate. You can block the message, which makes it only visible to administrators and moderators. You can approve the message content, and the message is published immediately. If you want to delete attachments linked to a message, select the Edit option. Attached files are shown at the bottom of the panel. Click on the file name to view or save the file. Check the box to delete the file. Your changes take effect when you click the Save Changes button. Let's go back to the forum's homepage. If a moderator has messages waiting for approval, there will be a link on the forum homepage indicating that there are messages for review. Clicking the link takes you to the Forum Messages Approval screen, where you'll see all the pending messages and you can take the following actions. Click the member's name to see a standard pop-up including the email address specified with their profile. Click the forum email icon to pop up a small display showing the email address that the member is using for the forum, which might be different from the email address linked to their account. Click the link to open a new email or copy and paste it into an email already created. Click the Approve icon to approve the message so that it's visible to all members of the forum. Once the message has been handled, it will disappear from this display. Click the Block icon to block the message. It will still be in the forum, but only moderators, coordinators, and administrators can view it. Click the Edit icon to edit the message, and you'll see the message editor to change its content. This option is available so that you can fix problems before approving a message. If there are messages in any of the moderators' forums that have been reported by members, perhaps with inappropriate content or merely posted in the wrong forum, a link appears where you can review and take actions on the reported items. Moderators see reported messages only for the forums they moderate. You can search through messages reported across all forums or limit the results to a single forum. Additionally, you can limit the results to those messages posted by a member, or those reported by a member, or those messages within a date range. For each reported message, the results will show the message author's name, the forum and thread name where the message is found, the post date and time, and the body of the reported message. Below the message content is a list of each member who reported the message and their comments about why they reported the message. Note that if a member reports a message several times, their name will appear several times. For the author and reporting member, you can click on their name for more details on how to contact that member. The Maintain column has icons for several actions. Select the Approve icon to approve the message, and it is removed from the reported messages list. Select the Message Administration icon to perform an action on this message. This is the same dialog we saw earlier that lets you delete the message in all replies, move the message to a new thread, or move it to another forum. You also have the option to email the original poster with details regarding your decision to delete or move a post. Select the Edit icon to edit the message. You'll see the message editor, and you can change its content. This option is available so that you can fix problems before approving the message. Select Edit Forum Status to view the forum member info dialog box and change the member's forum status, perhaps to moderated or banned. If you're also an administrator, an icon shows where you can edit the member status. This presents the Member Status dialog box where you can change the membership status to freeze, drop, or expired. Administrators can configure each forum so that the first time a message is reported, a notification email is sent to members who need to be alerted about reported messages. So as a moderator, if you need to be notified, ask an administrator to add you to the list of those to be notified. Note that subsequent reports for a message do not generate additional emails. Assigning moderators, who are often subject matter experts, to your forums gives these members special tools to maintain and organize discussions. Forum discussions can be a great way to keep your members engaged, and it gives them a reason to keep coming back to your site. So now you have seen how to do all of the typical forum moderation tasks performed by administrators, forum coordinators, and moderators. Be sure to check out the companion videos. They look at forums from the users and from the administrators' points of view. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.